Hey internet, just a quick wrap up really. I didn't really do an intro to the video today. I wanted to crack on as much and get as much done as I could. A bit of painting. It's the final parts of the painting really. Let's show you, that's probably the easiest thing. Really pleased with how these have come out. So these are obviously the fork legs. And don't they look great? Yeah, now 2K coated, 2K lacquered, everything is. So I've done that. Got a bit of side stand up here, just drying. You know, I'm not really too sure what this bar's called. Rear torsion bar, something like that. Anyway, it's for the back brake. 2 headlamp brackets. Again, I think they look great. Front mudguard bracket. This, doesn't that look lovely? That is so shiny now. The headstock and the bottom brace for the shock absorber for the front forks. So yeah, so I think that's everything that's required painting is done. I was really hoping to get the I was really hoping to be able to start getting the front suspension built up today, but you know, these items are just going to be soft for 24 hours, so I'll have to put it off until tomorrow. But you know, it's only Friday. I've got Saturday, Sunday and Monday to crack on, so hopefully we can start getting the front end built up. As you can see, it's still there on the stand. I'm gonna have to do something about the really long bolt at the front. Isn't long enough. It's about 1.5 inches short. You know, that engine mounting, that really long one that I had to cut out and I bought in the kit. So I'm gonna have to speak to the engineering company that did the kit up and see if they'll make me one. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, everything's done. I was hoping we'd be able to make a start on the front suspension today, but we can't. We'll get to that tomorrow. So everything's finished painted, painting, let all it harden off, get the front end back on tomorrow, the front suspension and what have you. I have still got to paint the brake calipers, but you know, that's not going to stop me getting the front end built back up again. Then I can focus on the back end, get the swing arm on and start getting it back on its wheels. So yeah, all good, really good result today. Just cracked on and got it done. I was going to show you the new seat cover that's come because I'm really pleased with that, but I'll show you that tomorrow. Again, it's an eBay purchase, but it's from a company that just do motorcycle seat covers, so I've had them before. I bought one for the Zephyr and it fit really well and it looked a treat, and this one's great. It's got the logo, the Kawasaki logo in gold on the back edge of the seat, really nice. So yeah, I'll let you have a look at that tomorrow. So that's it for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you're liking the videos, and you know, do click on the little bell icon because you'll get a notification then when I upload new content. That's everything for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.